Imagine a world with no paper. What would you use to draw on? What would you use to pass notes in class? We use paper every day. I think we take for granted how much paper we use. We use paper for homework, news, and even the books we read. Paper can be used for more than just these things, though. Paper can also be used for art. Before we begin our paper project, let me start with a brief history about the art of paper folding. In Japan and China, paper folding became a highly cherished art form. Back in China, paper was invented around 105 AD. Paper was extremely expensive and only used for religious ceremonies. In Europe and Spain, historians have also found that they used paper as an art form as well. Now is your chance to create your own paper bird sculpture. Now, to start off with, you're going to take one sheet of paper. This is the front side, but we're going to start with the back side. You're going to fold the paper in half with your square already in a diamond shape. So you're going to create a triangle. Crease the edge so it creates a fold. You're going to open up your paper and you're going to take each edge, we're going to start with the right side, and fold up that edge just to the middle crease. Crease that edge and keep that folded. Now you're going to do the left side. Again, bring that corner over into that edge to the middle. Crease that left edge. Now you should have what looks like a cone. You're going to flip over the paper and you're going to fold the top part back so that it makes a triangle facing to the back. Now you're going to take the corner, the upper right corner, and fold that over again to have the edge meet the middle. Crease that edge. Take the left side and do the same thing. Now you're going to open those folds. Now this is a little tricky, so kind of watch. You're going to take that upper corner, you're going to have to kind of play with it and manipulate it a little bit, and you're going to fold that right corner into the middle and make sure you follow that crease that's already there. And then on the lower part, you're going to crease that paper fold. Again, you're going to have to kind of manipulate it and work it so that the wing comes down. Now you're going to do the same thing again with the left side. Again, manipulate it. Work the paper so that you fold it along the crease that's already been made. And then, with the lower right side, make sure that wing gets folded down. Already starting to look like a bird, isn't it? Now you're going to take and make his little feet. You're going to take that little corner of what looks like the wing on the side and fold it into little triangles, one on each side. Now you're going to take your paper and fold it. Now you have a bird. But we're not done yet. Now we're going to add a few little details. We're going to start off with the tail. You can fold the tail back, crease it, and then make another smaller fold towards the end. You're going to bend this back under the bird. And then fold him back up. And there's our tail. Now you're going to make the head. You're going to take the top part, and fold it at an angle so that the bird's head points in front. And fold it both ways so it'll be easier to push him down in the middle. So you're going to take it, open it up a little bit, and fold that little triangle together on the inside. And then his little head sticks out from the middle. And there is our origami bird. Now we're going to create a paper sculpture using 3 of these origami birds.